Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make honey mustard sauce without honey, full guide. Start by gathering maple syrup or agave, Dijon or yellow mustard, vinegar or lemon, oil, and seasonings. Mix wet ingredients first, then whisk in mustard and adjust sweetness slowly. Taste and tweak salt, pepper, and acidity until balanced. I will give proportions, texture tips, and storage advice so you can make a great sauce at home. I will explain which substitutes work best and why their flavors differ. Start by tasting maple, agave, and brown sugar mixtures to pick your preferred profile. Use equal parts swap, then reduce or increase to taste because sweetness perception varies. Combine with mustard slowly and test acidity with a drop of vinegar. I will share a simple ratio to start with plus tips to modify thickness and shelf life for daily use. I will review a quick kitchen-friendly gadget and why I like it for cooking playlists. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers, music, and recipe prompts while you cook. It pairs perfectly with chopping, whisking, and taste tests, and it makes the process more fun. If you want the link and deals, check the description, and now let's get back to the video. I will help you master texture and mouthfeel for the perfect sauce. Begin by whisking mustard, sweetener, and acid together, then stream in oil to create a silky emulsion. If too thick, thin with a teaspoon of water or plain yogurt. If too thin, add more mustard or a pinch of dry mustard powder. I will also explain when to warm the mix slightly to marry flavors and when to chill it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.